Hey, what's going on? This is your girl Jasmine, and I'm coming to you with a quick video here about 3 easy ways to basically design templates for your online business or anything that you're basically doing in general. Now, make sure that you hit that subscribe button below to be updated on my next video. Make sure that you give my video a thumbs up, thumbsy, thumbsy, thumbsy uppy. Basically, hit that like button. It doesn't hurt to hit that like button. I definitely appreciate you guys' support. I'm going to keep on doing what I can most definitely do on my end here to basically put videos on my YouTube channel. Now, let's get into it. 3 easy ways to basically design templates for your business. 3 easy ways now. So, the first one that I was basically introduced to that I didn't know about, but I was looking it up on YouTube not too long ago. It's called postermywall.com. Now, with that, I'm pretty much addicted to it. So I'm basically addicted to postermywall.com. It's pretty much easy to basically use. All you have to do is change up things that you do not like about it. I put in pop-up shops because I know sometimes people do pop-up shops for, beauty supply, whatever it may be. They definitely do pop-up shops. And these are some great templates that you can pretty much use to change up to your liking, that you can basically print off. If you have a printer at home and have color ink, you can print it off that way so that you can basically hand out to people that you pretty much out and about. Or you can go to your nearest copycat basically and get these things printed off in color to pretty much stand out so that you can hand out to different people, like I said, when you're out and about. So these are pretty much so easy to use. I mean, super, super easy to basically use and pretty much just go from there with it. It's of course free to sign up. So, hey, you don't have anything to lose when you're basically, signing up here. You don't have anything to pretty much lose. These are basically just a few things that I have basically done. I changed up to my liking so that I'm posting on my social media, in my Facebook stories and what have you. So, it's just something just easy and simple to basically do. Another one that I use is Canva. I have been using Canva for quite some time for basically, different things, playing around with, YouTube thumbnails, things for my Facebook and so on and so forth. So this is basically, something that you can pretty much use. It's basically easy to use. I did one for my Amazon ebook as well, something that it's like boom, it's so easy to basically do. So why not try it? It's free to sign up. There's also a paid version as well too. Another one that I use is picsart. I use it sometimes for, things on social media, YouTube thumbnails as well too. But I think I definitely like posting my wall just a tad bit, a little bit better because it's already things that are pretty much designed for you that you can just basically change to your liking. And it's like, boom, it's going to stand out. You can put a picture. You can go to picsart is what I basically use to kind of sort of cut out the background as well, so it just be a picture of myself or whatever it may be. I pretty much use picsart for that. So, I mean, hey, you have tons and tons of ways to basically do stuff for your, your online business. Stuff that you can post on Instagram, Facebook. I mean, Facebook cover, look at that Facebook ads. I mean, so many different things. You got YouTube cover, Pinterest. I mean, LinkedIn. Hey, Pixar got it all. Canva as well too, and so does postermywall.com. So most definitely, if you have not, check out postermywall.com, Canva, and Pixar, and make sure that you hit that like button below. And I also want you to check out that description below and see how that you can get in touch with me for, any reason. Most definitely, you can join my free online dropshipping information group. That link is below. You can definitely also as well pretty much join my online marketing tip group for, things like social media, Facebook, and so much more. That's a free online marketing group. Join that below as well. The link is definitely in the description. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button below. Make sure that you check out my new videos that I'll be posting every so often. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a blessed and awesome day.